Good morning to all of you. Now, our next topic in lesson 5 is local time. Local time means that any area, particular suppose it is a Mundra, so Mundra is having own time. So that is called local time. So just let's read, then we will explain. I will explain. The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. It differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 noon in all the places on that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to mid noon. The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitude in the same country have different times. In a country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problem in the administration. How can one work in such situation? What must one do to solve this problem? Let us understand. So here telling ki all the suppose what clocks are not there, and early time people were using shadows of some things, and they came to know it is a morning, it is a noon time, it is a evening time, or like that. So here telling the time taken according to the overhead means सर के ऊपर जब सन आता है, सन की रोशनी पड़ती है, तो then that particular area where suppose you are standing in your terrace, and when the sun रीच अब ओवरहेड तुम्हारे सिर के ऊपर तक पहुंच जाती है, तो दैट टाइम इट इज़ डिसाइडेड 12 नून, 12 दोपहर के 12 बजे हैं, और उस एरिया में तब सब जगह 12 बजे हैं. और नेक्स्ट डे इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू गांधी धाम एंड देयर यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व दिस वन की फिर टेरेस में कहीं खड़े हो गए, और जब तक सन तुम्हारे सिर के ऊपर नहीं आती तब तक तुम खड़े हो, और जैसे ही सन ऊपर तुम्हारे सिर के ऊपर आ जाती है, जस्ट यू केम टू नो नाउ इट इज़ 12 नो. तो इन दिस वे पर्टिकुलर एरिया हैविंग देयर ओन टाइम. So but what happened, India is a vast country, or in this world is very vast. If the local time is, then if your all the areas local time will be different. And what is telling all the longitude, one longitude taking crossing the sun taking 4 minutes to come out from the sun, then next one is coming, that also means two longitude. If you will see, there between distance is 4 minute distance are there, 4 minute is there. So in this way local time is decided everywhere. The places located on the same longitude have the same time. Suppose 0 degree longitude prime meridian line which you read, oh, on that line how many countries places are falling, all having 12 o'clock noon. But if you will move ahead, हाँ, तो जो सपोज 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड जब सन के सामने आती है, तो उस लॉन्गिट्यूड के ऊपर पड़ने वाले सारे कंट्रीज़ में 12 बजेंगे, और बाकी जो है जो अभी आने वाला है सन के सामने, वहाँ अभी मीन्स अभी 12 नहीं बजे हैं, और जो ऑलरेडी आगे चला गया मीन्स वहाँ ऑलरेडी 12 क्रॉस कर गया है, मीन्स 12:15 12:15 हो रहा होगा. तो लाइक दैट is telling here the places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitude in the same country have different time. तो ये इस तरह से अगर लोकल टाइम फाइंड आउट करें, तो एक लॉन्गिट्यूड में जब 12 बजेंगे तो सारे उस लॉन्गिट्यूड में पड़ने वाले सारे जगहों में 12 बजेंगे उस टाइम पे, और फिर वही सेम दूसरे लॉन्गिट्यूड जो आसपास के लॉन्गिट्यूड है उनका टाइम डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. तो क्या है, एक ही कंट्री के अलग अलग प्लेसों के जो लोकल टाइम है उसमें डिफरेंस आ जाएगा. एंड इफ़ इट इज़ डिफरेंट क्रिएटेड डिफरेंस आर देयर, So suppose India is a vast country. Here suppose all the so many areas are there. If all are having the local time, their own time, then it is very difficult for the government to run the administration properly, क्योंकि सब जगहों का टाइम अलग रहेगा, किसी के जगह का दूसरे जगह के साथ टाइम टैली नहीं करेगा, then all type of function cannot be done. It's create problem to administration, and not for only administration, all of us also having the problem. सपोज मुंद्रा से हमें अभी सपोज 12 बज रहा है और हमें गांधी धाम में ट्रेन पकड़ना है, तो गांधी धाम वाले अपने 12 बजे के अकॉर्डिंग दे विल गिव द टाइमिंग, और our timing is different, so it is create problem. I think if we will not calculate and directly we will go according to our clock, so it will create problem. Maybe it will be possible कि we cannot catch the train. So like that problem created. That's why our next topic, standard time, is telling solving this problem of local time. Because local time, here they are telling to you कि how we find out the local time when the sun position, overhead position to us, that time is called local time of that particular area. Means सब पर उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में सब जगह उस टाइम में 12 बजे होंगे. अदरवाइज दिस लोकल टाइम हैज़ नो इम्पोर्टेंस इन आवर लाइफ. इट्स क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम. तो therefore to sort out the problem of this local time, our government, they had fixed up a standard time. Standard time means a fixed time which time is followed by everyone all over the country of India. The local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the country. This means that time is fixed on the basis of a particular longitude in a country, which is known as standard time. The standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This means that if it is 12 noon in Allahabad, it is 12 noon everywhere in the country. This makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country. So here telling to sort out the problem of local time, the government had set up a standard time for our country. And how they find out this standard time? This is telling कि they are finding the longitude. So many longitude if we sketching, so over our country it is passes, so many longitude are passing over our country. तो which one is the middle longitude? Our government first find out that one, कि हमारे देश के जो एरियाज़ हैं उसमें सबसे बीच वाला लॉन्गिट्यूड कौन सा है. दैट सेंटर लॉन्गिट्यूड इज़ पासिंग लॉन्गिट्यूड डिग्री इज़ 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड. अगर पूरे ग्लोब में को डिवाइड किया जाए, लॉन्गिट्यूड्स में पार्ट किया जाए, तो 82.5 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड हमारे कंट्री के बीचों बीच से क्रॉस करती है. और इन दिस वे एंड दैट एरिया our country's middle center point is Allahabad in UP. So they just maybe when they find out the Allahabad is the center point of our country from all the direction, then they just somebody was standing in somewhere and they observe the sun, and when the sun overhead to that person, माने सर के ऊपर आ गया जब sun, then they fix their clock wrist watches कि it is 12 noon, and immediately they just spread everywhere the message कि now you just fix the time 12 noon in your watches. So in this way standard time will fixed for the convenient of smooth administration for our country. So that is the value of standard time. Standard time means the center point of our country, that is the name is Allahabad, from Allahabad 82.5 degree longitude is crossing, and that is the center point. And how they find out the standard time? Somebody, some scientists, they just stand up over there on that place, and when the sun overhead to them, then they fix the time कि it is 12 noon, and in this way they fix the time all over the country. So this is the valuation of standard time. So here we came to know today about the local time importance and about the standard time importance. Our next topic is what is there? Nothing, things to know box. So we will do this into next video when we will do the question answer. Okay, one worksheet I am sending with this, fill in the blanks. You do it and read the chapter thoroughly. Okay, bye, thank you.